So I'm about to start my new barbecue, and I'm going to make chili. But apparently somebody's got some plans of her own. You like New Mexico green chili?
Hey.
Like real. Yep. Hatch New Mexico green chili. We'll see how this turns out. Should be interesting. And my associate chef over here. I've only done this one time. It's with Trenny, my dad's sister in Albuquerque. So I know we cook it, and I gotta peel it, and then that's the good stuff. Let's see how it turns out. I just finished peeling it, so I believe that's the deal. It's all good to go. Not sure what to do with the seeds. I'm gonna eat them. All right, it's a lot of chili to eat. Maybe I'll freeze some of it. Not that there's a lot, but hey, we're in Pasadena. What can you say? Oh, my cooking chef says she wants some. All right, you're gonna get some green chili, even though you're Italian.